Well, hi everybody. Happy Tuesday. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and it is review day. And I got these wholesale actually, and to review. And it is the Wholesale Rose Gold Craft Jewelry Supplies, and they are rose gold chains. And I have 12 of them, I believe. I'm going to open them up and just take one out if I can. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. It's nice out, but I think it's going to snow or ice or something. But that's winter. So anyway, I'm opening this up. And I will show it to you. So they're really pretty. They're also locked in very good too, which is probably very good. See what I'm doing? Take the side off, then I'll position them. They're all kind of bunched up together here. That's the only thing, but they are, if you see it, they're pretty though. They're all, I wanted to try to take out one so you could see it. And somehow or other, I don't know how they did this, but they're not letting me do this. So I don't know whether they're chained together somehow or what. I see what happened. I see what happened. There's always a beginning to an end. There's always a beginning and an end in the middle. And this is the middle. They're actually locked together. But they're very pretty. I like them. I'm going to do some jewelry. I haven't made jewelry in years, but, you know, I got that whole room up there, you know, so I might as well. So let me see if I can take one. Yeah. They were all locked together, which was good. So this is the size of the chain. And if you can see that, you can see the rose gold. I think that that's really pretty. And those were wholesale, and there were 12 of them, I believe, like I said. But anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And I will put all the particulars in the comment section as well. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.